Hi, friends. I have been getting a lot of questions concerning my degree pursuits lately, so I thought I'd get on here and help you guys out. First of all, let me back up. My name is A.Melvin, and I am in my first semester at Boise State with the Multidisciplinary Studies program. Most people say the what program? And I go, I know. MDS sounds like a diagnosis. Why would you choose that? I'm glad you asked. I'm going to help you understand. First of all, this program is not a diagnosis. It is an online degree, in fact, and it saves me so much time. Like, so much time. I have 3 children, a husband, and multitudinous obligations in my life. And the truth is, I don't have time to drive to a university, find parking, and sit in a classroom. That's reason number one. And let me tell you, I highly recommend this online program. There are so many advisors who are so engaged and so involved. It's unbelievable. There are only so many days, so many hours in the day, guys. We cannot afford to just sit around wasting time until the clock gets zero. One day you're going to be older and either you have the degree or you won't. And multidisciplinary studies degree is going to get you where you want to be, no matter where that is. Leadership, development, training, education, e-learning, all of those things can be assisted with this degree so that you can still live your life, because we have things to do. We have people to help. We have kids to raise, spouses to love, and all of those things. So we don't have time to waste time, because most of us, let's be honest, this is our second time around. Am I right? Let me help you out. Here are some things that an MDS degree will do for you. Helps you think creatively about complex problems in order to produce, evaluate, and implement innovative solutions as a member of a team. It will help you to define problems and opportunities, gather and evaluate evidence, and determine the adequacy of a given argument in order to continually make connections from my academic discipline to real-world situations. Okay? The other thing it'll help you do is analyze ethical issues in personal, professional, civic life and produce reasoned evaluations of competing moral and ethical viewpoints. Who doesn't want to do that? Everybody wants to do that. Everybody wishes that they could do that, okay? And let me tell you, Boise is the place to be. Not just Boise, this degree program. There's so many statistics. 64% of students enrolled part-time this year. 34 students are residing outside of Idaho in the United States. I'm one of them. I'm all the way in California. The bottom line is, guys, this is the program for you. It maximizes your units. It maximizes whatever school you've gone to. It makes sure that you are able to get the degree you need, advance in your career, have time with your family, and fulfill other obligations as a degree-seeking adult. And in the end, you'll have a degree and you will be the better for it. So do what I did. Get diagnosed with MDS.